Hello and welcome back to my channel, RottingRed. I'm Red. Hi. So, it's been a minute since I've talked on this channel and I probably won't talk much more. At least not for the moment. I am currently living at home. I've been doing that for a year and there's a lot of noise outside and I can't really just turn down the noise. So often what I've done is that I have recorded in like the middle of the night on weekends. But right now I'm in a good like sleep schedule, so I don't really want to fuck that up, you know. I'm not supposed to swear, but yeah. So I will probably still do the little silent tutorial with just music, but today is a day where we are reviewing palettes. Yay! I'm just excited with this. So I bought the Midnight Night. Is it called Midnight Night? Midnight. Okay, it's just because it says midnight. It's called Midnight. Midnight. Oh my god. And the berries one. Oh my goodness, look at her. She's so pretty. I just love pink. It makes me so happy. And this one, okay. She's a little big, but we love her. We love a plus girl. It's just beautiful. I just love him. So, I will say, some of the shadows are not new shadows. It's shadows we have seen before in previous BeautyBay palettes. Like, I know Voodoo, and Sorcery and Hex are from the Book of Moon palette, at least what I can remember. So those aren't new. And Twilight isn't new either, nor is Ocean or Elixir. I think there was one more. Velvet isn't new either. And some of the names we have also seen before, like this is called Rich, it's a purple, but I know in the Age of Opulence there's also a shade called Rich, which isn't a purple. And you can also see this where we have the Velvet shade. And Cursed wasn't a new one either, I just remember that one. There's a shade called Cursed. This is the... Did I mention that? I feel like I mentioned that. But yeah, some of the shades aren't new. But I love it anyway. I just wish, you know, BeautyBay, if you want to reuse your eyeshadow, maybe you could like make a magnetic palettes and you can make single eyeshadows. Please. I would love that so much. I would love that with my whole heart, especially because I really want the green one too, but there's a lot of its shades I'm not crazy about, so I don't really just want to buy a giant palette, but I'm just gonna buy it anyway. I have issues, but I'm also a bit of a collector myself. Yeah, I like to collect eyeshadow. Makes me happy, and I also use them, so it's like a win-win situation. It's like my collection is also useful in a sense that I'm doing makeup, and it brings me joy. So. So I just did my foundation and all that. I have been kind of debating on doing like a how I do my foundation stuff little video, but I do update how I do it quite a lot, so. But again, I could just make a little playlist and then when I do a new thing I can update it. Maybe, I'll think about it, but I did do it right now and I'm looking very dewy. I'm using this, it's okay. It's making me very dewy and I don't like that it's like smells of something. I don't like that. I don't want fragrance on my face. But it's fine. And I'm thinking I'm gonna start with the berry palette. And I think my idea is like if Euphoria and Spooky Goth had a baby. Yeah, that's the plan. I don't know how it's gonna go. Let's see. like this look. It turned a little Harley Quinn, but you know, it's still nice. It's still nice. It got the vibe I wanted. I went up with like a purple lipstick. I think it's called Dogtooth. It's by Cold Candy Cosmetics. Mine are really gross, but let's ignore that. And then I went up with some dots and a little bit of eyeliner and just mascara. I recommend putting on lashes too, but I'm lazy today. It's a lazy day. But my opinions on the palettes, I liked them a lot. I really enjoyed, from the berries one, I really enjoyed Rosewood. Was this like, this dusty pink. I really like that. It's like a really nice pink. I used it to like darken it a bit. And I also really like Cloud. It's this pink shimmer with some green in it. And I like Sofa, which is this reddish pink shimmer with a like gold in it too. That's like my favorite from this. I do like the other ones too, but that's just the three that really stand out to me. And from the Midnight palette, I really like Electric. It's this purple shimmer thing. And it's got like pink and blue and gold specks in it, I think. And I also liked, what's it called, Gleam? Oh no! I put my stupid nail in it. God damn it. Anyway, it's a beautiful palette and I recommend it. Ooh, that's pretty. Totally worth it. Oh, that's very pretty. Okay, I really like these shades. They're so pretty. Really pretty. I recommend. Anyway, I hope you like this little messy look. But and yeah, I will probably continue to make some more just tutorials where it's just eyeshadow and it's just like music and no speaking. But I still hope you liked this video. And if you liked it, you should give it a like and subscribe. I'm really bad at this. But yeah, I hope you have a nice day, a nice week, a nice month, and hopefully we will have a nice year. Bye!